पोहरणादा पोहरणा
Categories of animals. Birds, animal with feathers and wings. Most can fly. Examples: parrot, eagle, sparrow. Amphibians live in water and on land. Example: frog, salamander. Fish live in water and have gills to breathe. Examples: shark, goldfish, salmon. Reptiles, cold-blooded animals with scales. Examples: snake, lizard, crocodile. Mammals, animal that give birth to babies and feed them milk. Example: human, lion, dog, cow. Amphibians live in water and on land. Examples: frog, salamander.
किताब अरमान पजड़ की मुस्के लग तस्वीर प गुलाब दग तस्वीर दे रणा दग मुस्का दरणा पोहरणा दा